Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers, and good morning, YouTube. Hopefully, you guys had a solid weekend, everything like that. I'm excited to be back with y'all. I feel like I see y'all every day. Oh, wait, I do. But I'm excited to make some money with y'all today. We're going to see what happens. Last night on the Traders Hangout, I called out a bull flag, right? I called out a bull flag, and the thing pumped on that flag and never came back down to it. So let's see what we get today. Good morning, folks. Love to see the fam in the chat. Love to see it. Smooth, good morning. TC, good morning. Andre, good morning. Israel and Rhonda, good morning, everybody. Your boy's ready to make some money today. Just made 9K. That's crazy, bro. Market's not even open yet. Must be nice. Must be nice. Israel showing us how to do it. Hey, don't matter, right? Because once you actually see that in your trading account, you go, ooh, this is nice. This is nice. Why is that not showing? That's weird. Did anyone do anything fun for the weekend? As we're waiting, I'm waiting until 9:25 to start giving you like some stats on the market, everything like that. But just best believe today's going to be a good day for all of us. That's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm speaking into existence. And that's what we're going to get. Actually, I'll check the audio levels. Oh yeah, we're sounding good. Andre, how you been, bro? Since you said it's been a while. How have you been, sir? What's up, Rob? Hopefully you're not in the hot tub right now, because if you are, maybe kind of hard to trading from a pool. Just saying. Just saying. Don't, bro, don't. Because if it was me, I'd probably end up losing a laptop or something, you know what I'm saying, by accident. Yeah, that's so weird. Okay, so it's YouTube, not... Oh man, Rob, I called out that bull flag last night because of the A++ bull flag, and that thing ripped right off that flag and never came back down to it. If I traded last night, that flag, boy, we wouldn't be streaming this week. I'll tell you that right now. Not that I don't love y'all, but man, that would have been some good money. That would have been some good old money. That'd be enough for the month. TC laughing. Trade this morning, handle some stuff for one of the businesses, and then mentally prepare, go work out. I'm excited to lift today, but I'm also I know that I'm knowingly going to torture my body with my trainer. So gotta love it. Gotta love it. What's up, Warrior? Warrior, base hits, bro. Base hits. Slow and steady. There's no rushing this, right? So if you're trying to rush to pass the eval, everything like that, you're going to end up most likely blown. if you take it slow and steady, 200, 300, 400 bucks per day, you'll see everything add up so much faster than hitting $1,000 one day and then the rest of the week you're red. You know what I'm saying? That's awesome, bro. Congrats on that, fam. 292 to 232. That's a solid drop, bro. I'm just trying to drop down 265. Well, my trainer said he's going to get me down 255, but I'm excited to get there. 200. Woo! Bro, I haven't been 200 since middle school. That was a long time ago, fam. All right, let me give you all the stats. It's official. It's 926. I'm blabbering here. So the VWAP on my 2-minute chart, we're sitting right around 327.25, 327.25. Well, let's say 328. 328 for that VWAP. The close from Friday, 254.75, 254.75. That 21 EMA is sitting right at 505. 505 for the 21 EMA on the 2-minute. And we got a pivot point. We got a pivot at 487.75, 487.75. With the pivot above us as well, all the way up there. Let's see where it's at. 742.75, 742.75. So, what I'm expecting, like, we had a beautiful, I mean, textbook bull flag print last night during the traders hangout, and the market ripped off of it and never came back down. So I'm looking for the flag a day. I'm looking for the momentum. And once I see both, best believe your boy's in. What's up, P.O.? Good morning, sir.
I was in on that bear flag.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, T-Rock in the house, mother.
Hey, let's go. Let's go. Did he TP on it, or you moved it up?
Oh, I like, that was my money maker through the whole night. I ran it. I made it. I was like, I'm back, baby.
Oh, yeah. Because that thing, off that bull flag last night, that thing ripped off that sucker. It never came back. Like, ooh, if I would have traded, your boy would be on an island right now.
Well, the week prior, you know, it was like the market was acting like really funny at night. So I was like, I stood down, but I saw it last night and I got in and it did exactly like what it was doing before. So it was good.
Awesome. Good. I'm glad it felt good. I'm glad you feel like you're back, sir. Like, we'll take that.
Saying, like, I was always here, but I had to wait for the opportunity in the market, I should say. You know what I mean?
No, of course.
Yes, I'm back.
Well, Steve's back. He's excited. I never left, so you know I'm always excited.
Oh, you little... He's dropping weight. He's contemplating.
Trying to. Like, this, my weekend was just, I don't know. Like, my trainer says, like, bro, once you start training with me, bro, like, you're going to see in other areas of your life. He sounds like me when I talk about trading and having discipline, right? But no, this whole weekend, I just wanted to clean and stuff. It was weird. It was so weird. So I was cleaning random stuff, cleaning like the trash cans. You know what I'm saying? Like, cleaning just randomness. But trying to make the environment better. You know what I'm saying?
That's it.
I honestly, we're going to see. I want to see us get another textbook bull flag. Like, on that 5-minute, that's a bull flag right there. But I want to see another textbook flag and take us higher. So you waiting for some triangles? No, I don't trade triangles. I trade flags. I do trade flags with momentum, but never triangles. Niner, what's up, bro? Good morning. There's market open right there. There's market open. Oh, Nelly, some markets open. 9:45 can't come fast enough, I'll tell you that. Just trying to make a couple dollars. That's it today. If I accidentally like
Accidentally on purpose.
if I accidentally on purpose go now make like $2,000 in one account, don't mind me over here, okay? No, base hitting today. Only way to do it. Only way to do it. This sucker get ready to pump. And your boy wants to jump in on this so bad right now. Ah, Smooth, you got that, fam. 14 days, bro. Yeah, you got plenty of time, bro. Just base hit it, fam. Just base freaking hit it. Listen, on the account, Lucid account that I took a payout on last week, right? On that account, the first day I traded that account, I went red negative $1,500. Very first day I traded it. But you know how I saved the account and got the payout? Base hitting. Simple base hitting. I had one red day, which was the very first day. Then all the other days were green. You got this. Oh, you've been on it for 14? Bro, that's fine. Listen, even if it takes you one full month to pass the eval, right? That's still okay. You don't know why? Because it means you did slow and steady base hits and you got the results. You got the payoff. You got funded. And then you do the same thing for the next month. You base hit the entire month and take a payout at the end of the month. So don't put pressure on yourself because, oh, I've been trading for... No, bump that. That's okay. You didn't blow up in 14 days. So that's a positive. That's showing that you know what you're doing. Just saying. Just freaking saying.
That's it.
Come on, Betsy. Bro, that means you're mastering your psychology, bro. When you're able to walk away after taking a loss, that means you're growing as a trader. Because the hardest thing to do as a trader is walk away when you're down. Because we all want what? Get the money back. Maybe some slight revenge trading. You never know. But the hardest thing is to walk away from your computer when you take an L. Oh, Nelly, right through that pivot point there. We're going to have some action today. There's a lot of flags, or are you waiting for silence? No. I do not execute trades till 9:45. 9:45, that's when I can start officially executing trades. I wait the first 15 minutes to let the market figure out what it wants to do. So when I jump in, it's not as volatile. Because, you know, we got to play it safe. Oh, man. I don't know, boys. The market look like it's going to have some fun today. Today may be a big trading day. Just saying. I'm speaking it into existence.
Goodness, the power of his tongue, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep.
The power of his tongue.
The market's not going to be chopping. It's going to move smooth today. We're going to be able to get our flags, get our money, and get on out. Let me actually. Where's that? Where's that?
Oh, he's got the ATM up. About to make some cash money.
Something like that. Someone took it. I heard that.
That was me. I was just testing on my eval. not my eval, my sim. I was just making sure everything was hooked up because I didn't reboot my computer this morning.
Yeah, gotta make sure the buttons work. I feel you. PO, no, I trade longs and shorts. Doesn't matter. But like I said, I wait the first 15 minutes. I wait that first 15 minutes to see the opening range so I can look for my flags and execute. Because if we keep pushing down, I'm going to want to see us start building some bear flags. VWAP currently sitting at 346.25, 346.25 for that VWAP. Awesome. Let's see if we get this bear flag. Let it take some time, gentlemen. No rush this morning. No rush.
No rush.
Calm and steady. I've been ready to trade since Friday. Friday Night's Traders Hangout, I've been ready to trade. We're going to see if we could get some today. So I know some of y'all already took some trades. So who's up? Who's down? Who's all around so far? Think there was 9:30 news. Trump dropped something and Powell dropped something this morning. But that was during pre-market. Hey, you can get that, bro. Slow and steady, slow and steady. Smooth, I said. I always wait the first 15. So trust me, it's not hard. It's not easy to wait the first 15. But for me, I realize it's a necessity because whenever I take trades before 9:45, yes, sometimes I make money. But there's also more times where I lose money when I trade before 9:45. So I'm just holding and waiting, holding and waiting. Oh, no, I turned that off. I was just checking something on it. No ATM, no ATM. Yet, at least. Depends on market conditions. If the markets are chopping real hard, yeah, I'll throw that ATM on so that way I could get stopped out and preserve capital. What's up, Brett? Smooth, that's the best way to do it, bro. That's the best way to do it. We got 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes for the 15-minute range to be completed here. Oof. Oh, this is so hard to watch right now. When you just see money just like water falling down, it's hard not to just jump underneath the water. But with this push down, oh.
You need a moment alone?
I do.
Lord.
I need a moment alone to myself.
1160 on that trade, fellas.
Oh, of course the market maker does that to me.
1160 on that trade, baby.
He's fucking throwing down, dude.
I know. I'm happy for him. I'm happy for my market makers.
That's the big G flag pattern. It's just a big long like slash, like a sword cut.
No, 100%. Pio, those aren't candles. Those are bricks. Those are bricks. So those are moving based on the price action. Oh, man. Come on, 945. Hurry the frick up.
You can relax, Duane. There'll be more for you. Everybody gets a piece of this pie.
We're good. We're good. I'm woo-sawing over here. Holding the wall because the market's still going down without me. Oh.
Keep down, baby.
All right, let's see if we get a flag here. Ay, Dios mío. Put me in, coach. Put me in 3 more minutes. Let's see if it takes that full amount of time to build another flag. Because we haven't had any flags yet for today's market. So it's pretty safe to say that the high of this 15-minute range, we're not going back to right now. So I'm going to call it out for you. 538.25. 538.25 is the high of this morning's range. Niner, no, absolutely not. Oh, I'm just black, bro. Hung around with too many Spanish people back in the day. We got a lot of selling pressure still. A lot of selling pressure. We got that VWAP creeping up to us as well, 349.50. Oof. Oof. Come on, bulls. Hold this price up right now. Hold this price up. I'm not trying to break my rule and jump in before 9:45.
You're trying pretty hard not to break that rule, too. I could see it in your face.
You can see it, right? You can see it? Thank you, bulls. Keep pushing up just a little bit. Just a little bit. We got that buying wick on that 5-minute candle. Oh, second candle pretty on. Oh, that's a bear flag. That's a bear flag on the 2-minute. Jesus, 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 Jesus. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies. Hurry up. Hurry up. Bears or bulls, hold the price up. Hold the price up. Give me some more structure. I like to see some structure here. Yep, give us some structure. Structure. There we go. Flip that candle green. I want to see that candle green. Give me 2 green candles and then the next candle red. Oh, that'd be a beautiful bear flag right there. Let me woo-saw. I'm getting too excited right now. All right, my doodles are on the charts. I'm ready now. I'm ready.
No, but you're being very good, Duane, because you put that on the bottom of the wave. So you're not trying to jump in. I'm impressed, actually.
Well, thank you, Steve.
No, I mean, after trading with you for a long time, I realized, like, where you put that doodle is, like, where you're at. But you're at least until market close, that doodle's at the bottom. I might slip up when I blink, but right now, like
all right, 945 did hit. 945 did hit. I'm primed, not ready for this trade right here. Waiting to see if we break through that 2-minute line with momentum. To break through that 2-minute line with momentum here, we're close to the low of this 15-minute range as well. So this is going to be a snipe if I take it. If I take it, just waiting here. Let's see what we get. 946 has hit. 15-minute range is fully completed. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. I'm clear to trade. Coming down to my yellow line. Let's see if I get some follow through. Oh, get out of here. I closed it, but I did not get what I wanted.
I feel like it's behaving more normal than it has been, though.
That it is. That's why I'm slightly excited.
That's why, like last night, I was like, okay, kind of, because a couple of nights I didn't even trade my accounts because it was just like going nowhere.
Yeah. Let's see if we get some follow through here. We're back in the 15-minute range. So we always break out and then we pull back to the range before we actually go lower or higher. Israel, I did not. I had to wait. I got to wait the first 15 minutes and it happened during that time period. All right, 240 right there. Let's rotate to the next funded account. Just base it. And we got that VWAP approaching as well.
Is that like in the 350 area?
Let me rotate here. I'll tell you where it's at. 1 second. VWAP is currently sitting at 351 on mine.
Hey, man, we're like, that's nice. We're like literally like sharing a driveway at this point.
Hey, let's go. So we got a townhouse. Right?
Yeah.
Split right down the middle.
As opposed to me like living in like 3 counties away. Like what? I do want that.
So for me, I would honestly be waiting for us to tap that VWAP to see how price reacts on it. We're getting closer and closer to that VWAP. I want to see how we react once we tap it. My first target to the low side here is 292.75. 292.75 is my first target from the 15-minute range here to the downside. But I'm patiently waiting right now. I want to see us get through that VWAP for me to take another short here. All right, we're through the VWAP. Waiting to look at this reaction here. Because I do not want to just go short just because we tapped that VWAP.
Maybe I'll give it that resistance to get a nice flag, and then it'll take us lower.
Hey, from your lips to God's ears. From your lips to God's ears. Let me move this line down. So, key thing, I did not go short right when we passed through the VWAP because I want to see follow through. I want to make sure the market was going to do what? A bouncy bounce like we just did. Because once you master and learn one of these instruments like the Nasdaq, you know how it likes to move. So that's why I knew not to just go short because we were coming on down. It's like, nah, I bought at the bottom and then the market jumped up. So I learned my lessons multiple times.
That lesson. Anybody that hasn't learned that lesson hasn't traded yet.
We may start pushing up slightly and then to continue down. But if I'm going to take it short, I'm waiting until we get below that VWAP with follow through. Warrior, everyone learns that lesson. Everyone.
Well, that's like, you know, like you feel like, oh, this is so easy, and then it does it to you, and you're like, oh, there goes my account.
We got 8 minutes, well, less than 8 minutes now for 10 o'clock. For 10 o'clock here. Patiently waiting to see what the next move is going to be for us. We tapped that 15-minute range bottom right there. Are we getting ready to start pushing up slightly? Because we had that nice little waterfall at market open.
Where's Dr. Moose? He could say his favorite word.
I don't know. He said he was going to be in here today. Last week he said he was working like crazy, so.
He's going to be like, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. And it'll be like retracement.
All right, we rejected off that range, 15-minute range there. I'm waiting. I want to get through that VWAP, through the VWAP. Come on, show me the follow through. Oh, I totally forgot. Man, I'm slacking this morning. Let me first I'll plug my computer in before it dies. We're playing right here at this VWAP.
We're right at the VWAP, baby. It's about to happen.
Lock that in. 590 on that trade right there. 590 on that trade. We'll definitely take that. Let's rotate to the next funded account. Let's see if I can re-enter on that trade I just took. $292.50 is a target area that I'm looking for. Hey, Smooth, $40 profit. That's green, bro. Let's see if we build another flag down here now that we're below that VWAP to take us lower.
ES is arriving at its VWAP. From the overnight, I saw that chart open, so.
Yeah.
And it's 3 minutes till 10, just an FYI. Yeah, it's like if you have the ES open, it just about touched the VWAP and it's pushing back, so maybe that might be holding it a little.
Buying the bottom. I have that target 292 down there, so took another trade on this funded account, put 210 in. I'm already up over $1,000 for the day in my funded accounts, and we just keep moving. We simply base freaking hit. That's all we do. And here comes my 292 that I was talking about. I should have waited, but it's okay. Not going to get greedy. Not going to get greedy.
Just about a minute and 20 seconds still, baby, so keep that in mind.
Thank you, Steve.
And I think there's news today, isn't there?
No news today. News tomorrow and the rest of the week.
Powell doesn't speak at 10:30 today?
I looked it up. I didn't see that. I know someone last night said they saw on Forex Factory, but I did not see that. On the stuff that I look at. I don't look at Forex Factory, to be honest with y'all. I'm trading on Ninja Trader. Powell speaks today. Okay. Rhonda said Powell speaks today. She's legacy too, so I trust her.
Well, she rules, man.
Alrighty. Up $1,000 in funded accounts. You already know. I gotta show you the back of my shirt. For all the new folks in here, I gotta show the back of my shirt. The $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. Alright. So we kept some bills away today. And we're gonna keep it moving. All we can do. So the bottom charts are the standard candlesticks. Then the top chart, that's my secret sauce. You know what I'm saying? That's my, just help. Exactly. Steve, can you do that one more time for me? That's what it is for us here. Those are Renko bars. It shows you the momentum of the market. So it keeps you out of bad trades. It shows you when it's a good trade. Welcome, by the way. Welcome.
Welcome.
Let's see, we get a little flaggy flag. And we sit back and relax. What's up, Kenny? Man, I'm the Super D today. Man, I feel special. Kenny said Super D. I'll take that. Hey, I told myself this week I'm simply just doing base hits because your boy wants some more payouts. So if I get him this week, awesome. If it's next week, awesome. It don't matter. There's no time limit. There's no pressure. Just base hitting every day until I feel like, it's time to take a payout. The only fight, listen, we stream every morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. And every single night, 9:30 p.m. Eastern for the Traders Hangouts. That's when we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. We'd love to have you participate because we simply print money over here as a community and group. Appreciate everyone tuning in. And this is not financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. Had to throw that disclaimer in there, you know what I'm saying? Gotta stay compliant. Oh yeah. Give it to me. I see what she's trying to do on that 2 minute. Come on, Betsy. Build us a nice little bear flag. Take us low. I still don't understand why you can't execute all the trades on one single account, bro. I could, PO. I rotate through my accounts. It's a way of me limiting my risk in the markets. So instead of putting all my trades on one account, I rotate through accounts. So that way I'm never putting one account at risk the entire trading session. And this is what I do to take consistent payouts from these prop firms.
Yeah, it's risk management. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. That way, if you hit a bad base hit, you move to the next one.
Yep. Because when you only copy trade, right, you're putting all your accounts at risk on that one single trade. I don't like those odds. Just saying. I'm an 82% win rate trader, and I'm not trying to, I know that I'm going to lose 18% of the time. So why risk all my accounts every time I enter the markets? That's a no bueno. That's a no bueno.
That is no good, is how we say it. No English, no good.
Come on, let's see if we start. Give me some bearish momentum here. It's funny, getting ready, mentally preparing, figuring out all my stuff for the Europe trip in July. One of my buddies, he's an older, he's a more seasoned man. I've known him now for quite a while, from the security industry, everything like that. He bought a restaurant in Spain. So when I'm over there, I'm gonna pop over to Spain to check his restaurant out and chill with him for a couple days, him and his wife. So not only are we going to just Portugal and all that, we'll be in Spain as well, folks, streaming it, vlogging it, living the life with y'all. Hopefully you guys are excited for that trip. All right, let's get me in. Let's get me in. Go to my yellow line with momentum. Come on. Come on. Give me the follow through. We're getting so close.
Dwayne's like living. He's excited.
No, I'm just waiting. I'm waiting.
I know. Can you be excited while you wait? Is that all right? You could give that tip.
No, 100%. You are right, Steve.
Hey, I showed you like my some of my iron just so you could see I was really working out.
No, I loved it. That's why I said I know you got it done. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, that's old school. You know what I mean?
Come on, go through my yellow line. Come on, Betsy. Give me follow through. Yeah, I'm gonna close that so I could possibly re-enter. Didn't get my full entry on that. But I'm not gonna sit around as it continues here. Yep, that's a Renko. That's Renko. Mind you, I did switch over to my Apex evals. Apex. I don't know why I'm saying Apex. Apex evals. I'm done trading. My fund has already made my $1,000 for the day. No, it's not weird whatsoever. You have to understand how I read it. That's the whole thing. We got that VWAP above us. Stop that. I was trying to do something risque. Let's rotate. Let me actually check something while I'm here.
So where are you going in Spain?
We'll be going over to Seville. No revenge trading because what I expected to happen is trying to happen. So I do not revenge trade, and there it goes. I just didn't have enough wiggle room because if you lose $1,000 in the evals with Apex, it locks your account. But that's what I was expecting right there. If I had a little bit more wiggle room in the drawdown, we would have been done. How can you get this tool? It's simply a different candlestick. So just search Renko.
Ninja Renko. Oh my goodness.
Yep, just waiting for the next one. Or I may actually wait till Powell talks to trade this next account. Because I've already traded my fundeds, made the $1,000, so now I'm just trading evals.
Well, what's weird is some of us heard about news, other ones didn't. Could you go right to the Fed site and on your computer and see if there's actual confirm? Oh, and remember to smile at all times, Duane.
I'm on the Fed calendar here. Yeah, so it's not that he's really speaking. At 10:30, he's talking to a class at Harvard. He's talking to an economics class at Harvard at 10:30. So he'll be a non-factor for today, I feel. Oh man, look at that. Well, there's the 21 EMA tab as well. That's the move I was looking for.
The 21 is low 70s.
Let me go back to it. Sorry, clicking on something else. Yep, low 70 is like 71, 72-ish.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. We're back in that 15-minute range. Like, I'm so annoyed. So annoyed.
Don't be annoyed.
Because that's the move. I knew we were gonna pop up, hit that VWAP. That's why I want to take that long. And this just extra gravy. Extra gravy. I would like to see a flag though at this point.
Duane would like to see a flag.
All right, cool. Looks like we're going to start building a flag here, potentially. Let me get just an extra line. We're in the low of this 15-minute range. Now we just dropped out of it again. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what's the next account that I'm gonna put a trade on. Just put 390 in this account. We're back below that VWAP. Ooh, Nellies. That's all I'm gonna say. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies. That playlist is done. Since I'm done trading funded. So now we can have some fun, right? We can change the vibe a little bit. Is this going to be my bull flag right here? We're above that VWAP. I need to see some good momentum right now for me to take another trade here. Nope, not going to the pool. Because we're still executing. So the morning streams, we're up here in my office. And then the hangouts were fireside by the pool.
When Duane gets 5,000 followers, he's gonna go do one from the roof. Hey, you laugh. You gotta promise these people what you.
I didn't promise that. Looking like a bear flag right there on the 2 minute. A small bear flag trying to print there. Watching these Renko bars. I want to see the momentum step in here. Slightly consolidating right here. We do have that buying wick on that candle, on that 2 minute candle. Waiting to see if this breaks or not. Waiting through this consolidation on the Rinkos. Ready to execute. $420 right there. Look at that buying wig. Seeing that buying wick on the 5 minute and that 2 minute right there makes me not want to go short again. I'll tell you that.
They don't short into a wick.
Yeah, we don't short into the wicks. If I'm trying to take another short, I'll be waiting for that line on the 5 minute. And there's the 2 minute line that I want to break through with follow through and take a short. Because right now, oh, what did I do? What's up there? All right. This will be my line if I'm trying to take a long. So now it's the waiting game. What line are we going to get to first? We got that selling wick now. What's the market trying to do? Is it trying to trap people right now? What are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do? Bulls wanna every time we come up, we tap that VWAP. There we go. There we go.
You didn't get the fill you wanted on that one.
I definitely did not. Come on, Betsy. Didn't get my entry where I wanted, but I'm waiting to see if we're going to get it here. But I don't like how we're consolidating right here.
That was cruel, man. I just have to catch the purple or the light teal thing, and it was like the press of the mountain and then dropped you in on the other side.
Hey, it happens. It happens.
Oh, I know. Like you're going on a ski lift hoping to get to the top, and the restaurant in Canada's up there, and then they're sending you down the hill saying, sorry.
That was hilarious when we were up there.
That was a classic video. is not the micro scalping zone.
Nope, this is not. Come on, Betsy.
Let's rock and roll.
We're back below that VWAP as well. I may just close this since we're below that VWAP. Straight agginess. Straight ag. Didn't get the fill I wanted.
That happened to me last week where it was, I saw the blind. I was able to close it, thank God. It was like the same thing.
Yeah.
Like sometimes you can't catch it.
Yes, I'm not quick enough sometimes.
Yeah, or it's just like you have that faith. Okay, it'll only be there just for like a blink of an eye, and then it just sparked there, and then it's like Probably the best thing to do is just to like close it all the time. This is the first thing.
Yeah.
Because I've done that where I thought it's just gonna be there for a half a second, and here it's just like sitting there.
Close that. What's up, Gus? What's up, boys?
Whoa. What was that? Duane got out of the market. Okay, quick. Do this. Boom.
Let's see. Markets are okay today, guys. Better than last week, I would say. But still, right now, just slowish.
Something about you that just pulls me in with every word.
Oh, this is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq. If we break through that bottom yellow line with momentum, that's going to be your short. But right now, market's just playing.
just thank you, Duane, for everything you showed everybody. You know what I mean?
Oh, of
No,
course.
man. No, because the thing is, I've been here from the beginning, and you've always been very transparent about it, and it's really awesome.
Well, I'm glad you feel like it's awesome, Steve. We'll take that. It was crazy because I was honestly reflecting yesterday, reflecting when I was cleaning my truck, everything like that.
Oh, so you're looking in the mirror saying, "Damn, I look good."
Give me another couple months for that, and yes. But I was like thinking, like when I'm in Europe this summer, it's gonna be like full circle moment because we're getting ready to hit 300 members in the Legacy Wealth Society. And when we started it last year when I was in, like right before I went to Europe last year. So when we go back this year, it's like I was only hoping in a year to get like 100 members. We're getting ready to hit 300, like probably into this month here. So it's just super crazy to see what you can actually do in a year. So never underestimate yourself, everybody. Because you can exceed even what you think you can do. If you stay disciplined and you just stay consistent. That's it.
My goal for this week, in terms of this market, this time of the market is to be more proactive about getting in because that's been one of my things. Like if I left to my own devices, I'll sit like a half a breath. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I need to be on top of the beat, not just a little behind it. That's kind of where I'm working on. It's like reading the signs, taking the knowledge he gave us, but more importantly, executing, like not doubting. Like, okay, boom. And then sometimes you jump in the pool and it's a little cold, but so what? Next time you're gonna hit it just right.
Yeah.
Say amen.
Amen, amen. That's Steve.
Do you have anything to add to kind of assist me in that?
I'm trying to set something up.
No,
It's
no,
not you as me right now. It's not you as me.
listen, you monster. Are you working out at 1 o'clock today?
Yep. There we go. Let's see if we break through this yellow line with momentum. Anthony, I've already traded all my funded, some of my fundeds, not all of them. Traded a couple of my fundeds already up at 1K a day. So now I'm just trading evals. It's 10:34. Market's not moving, so I'm not really risking any fundeds, but I am trading evals at this point. Definitely ready to work out today. Because I had ride my bike to burn 500. I'm like, Jesus, I did not realize how long it took to burn 500 calories on a bike.
That takes a while.
I like going to the gym in an hour. It's switching everything up. It's done.
Yeah, and like a bike on a trail or something. I think you passed by my house 3 times. And the thing is, I'm not even on the trail. I was like, there he goes again.
There he goes again.
On a separate note, though, those trail systems seem very awesome. I need to get a bike that's like good enough to go, you know, because they
Yeah.
can wear out sometimes. But
Waiting right now, break through that yellow line on the 5-minute because this is a big old 5-minute bear flag. So we just tapped that first target. I had that 292 area. I just put 250 in 2 accounts right there. Let me make sure copy trade correctly. I did 250 and 280. Hey, we'll take that. It's funny. Everyone's like, "Oh, are you good on the?" Because I posted that video on my Facebook of me on the trail. It's like, "Oh, are you good? Are you good?" I'm like, "Bro, I'm literally inside a gated community." That's the best part about it. Literally inside my gated community on a trail. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm good. Trust me. I know exactly where I'm at.
Does that trail go like just in a big circle, like around the community kind of thing?
So what that trail is, that connects, like, my neighborhood is a decent sized neighborhood,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
the area that my house is in, we're in a more private side of the community where we have our own private gate, everything. Like, the other side's gated as well, but we have our own private gate just for our section.
Yeah.
But in order to get to like the clubhouse, everything like that, we have two like secret paths to take us to the other portion of the neighborhood where all the other houses are, where the lots are smaller. So I ride the bike, I ride all the trails around my entire community, even on the other side, so I could get active. Well,
I remember that. I know that trail well because before this stream really started hitting, there was that time that you were
with the
riding
bush.
with your girl. Yeah, and it was like and you it's like the branches kind of reached out and
Almost put me in.
I know, like you're gonna do like one of those like professional wrestling moves, like the suplex onto the. I mean, like what?
That was funny. I was like, that could have ended really bad. We got that big old buying weight. Yeah, we got a lot of support at that 292 level.
Good morning, guys.
What's up, Mitch?
How's everybody doing?
Another day in paradise, bro.
Good to hear, good to hear.
I personally, I would want to get below that 292 level if I was trying to take a short.
Are you going to are you definitely done trading your funded, or are you just
Yeah, I'm done trading the funded. It's 10:39. I'm off at 11. I ain't risking for the biscuit. I'm locking that 1K in for the day on those fundeds, and we're keeping it rolling. I will try adding a little bit more to this account. This is a Lucid eval.
I didn't tell you, but I am taking a payout today on one of my personal brokerage accounts.
Hey, let's go, Steve.
All right. Cash money in the bank.
Love it. Love to hear that, bro.
And it's all, you know what? It's like you gave me the foundation to do everything I could do in this, man. Because I saw it, you know, everybody would see stuff online because it's like all those scammy things. The guy standing next to the rented Ferrari, or it's like somebody like goes to like a Ruth Chris and stands next to a Bentley in the parking lot. How does this 18-year-old do it? But then it was like, or it's like somebody like taking a tour of a Realtor.com house and pretending it's their own. But
that's crazy.
when you said that you were doing this, man, that was the cue. That was like the proof in the pudding, if you will. That I knew that it was legit because you are legit. So.
Well, I appreciate you, Steve.
Foundational. And I'm not going to say that about, you know, very few people in my life where they just said something. I wouldn't be like, I got to think about it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like that is who you are. Like you operate in that integrity. And so that was kind of like the sign, that was like God or whatever you want to say, saying, this is your shot. And even my wife, when she knew that you were doing it, she's like, you got to do it. So
I'm glad you trust me, and I'm glad you're winning with me. That's what I love the most.
that's it.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Betsy.
Whispers of the wind, they carry me. Ooh, yeah. Soft as the tide rolling endlessly. Gently heartbeat, it's the earth I feel. Shaker shakes like the stars turn real. Close my eyes, I see the glow where the sky and soul both flow. Take me higher, higher, where the sunset breeze, dancing with the trees. Higher, higher, to the spirits calling.
No, Pio, no. We got the close from Friday, 254.25 below us here. My next target would be 210.75. Oof. Got quite a ways to get there.
One tick at a time, baby.
Yeah, one ticket at a time. I'm probably gonna have to stop executing trades. I just won on that one, but it wasn't comfortable. It wasn't comfortable.
Well, I'm at a spot where like I'm green on everything, but on one of my accounts I'm red $27. So it's like you know what that's like?
Yeah.
It's like when you're trying to pass an eval and you got like $27 to do.
And it feels like you can't.
Yeah, you're chasing that little amount and then you're risking it all. So
That's how I feel right now. That last trade, I'm like, you know what? I feel like I'm over trading at this point. It's time for me to quit. I did put 480 across two more accounts. I copy traded, so I'm not complaining about that. But I gotta stop executing trades.
yeah, I just I just see that one red line on my chart, and I've got 8 accounts, and all of them are green except one of them has negative 27. So I need to just let that negative 27 rest.
Yeah, let it sit because you'll trade it. Then it'll go from negative 27 negative 200 real quick.
Yeah, and then you're just like, oh gosh. So yeah, I'm stopping. I'm calling it.
Yeah, I'm hands off at this point.
I just hate it when it's that close, right? It's like, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a blessing in a way, but it sucks because like if it was like 200 down, you're like, okay, I'll wait. But it's so close, and it's just like then that's when you start getting stupid. Oh, that's easy. I could pay that out of my wallet. You know?
So how's the chat doing? Are you guys up? Are you down? Are you all around? How we doing? How we feeling? Powell will be talking at Harvard soon. Moments away, the TV says. Hey, if you're break even, that means you didn't lose anything. Warrior 4 trades. Hey, at least you're only down that. Taking 4 trades, being real. Oh, this isn't sync. Let's sync that. Oh, this thing's really not synced. Jesus. Refresh. Let's see. There we go. I'm like, why is it looking like that? So in my funded accounts, I did today 1,300 bucks. Nice, Anthony. Good job, bro. Oh, Anthony, appreciate you, bro. Amazon, fam. Amazon. Go on Amazon, type in, what were they called? 3D wall panels. And they got tons of them. Right now, yeah, the way the market's moving right now, boys, does not have me feeling like, oh, I need a trade whatsoever.
I took a screenshot, so I'm gonna close this out so I won't trade because, like I said, I gave that eloquent speech, like the $27 that I keep seeing it. And it's like my eyes go to it, so now I'd have to reboot my Ninja Trader, so I'm good.
Yeah, don't. For all the members in the channel on YouTube, everything like that, for the Legacy Wealth Society, in the community discussion, go ahead and post your wins, your losses, your questions, everything like that. Let's get active in there today. It's Monday. Post your wins and post your losses. It's okay. It helps keep you accountable.
I mean, the thing is, like, absolutely, everybody when everybody's winning, they're running around one way. But when it's tough against you, that's where you make that's where you grow your skills in your face.
Yep.
So like I was saying, is like, as soon as I told my wife, because she knew your lineage, can I say? And as soon as I said that it's like you're doing it, she saw it as a sign too. She's like, man, you have to do this.
Hey, and like I said, I appreciate you having that much trust in me.
Well, and you know my background too. So I left I was coming out of a corporate job, and I'm an entrepreneur, and she said not only that, she said put this first. So you know what I mean? It's just like. That'd be insane if it was just kind of some rando on the internet.
Yeah.
But I knew that I needed to like put this like in the first place in my eyes, and then
Mm-hmm.
and just keep crushing it, and it's because it's like a battle, but it's like I'm coming through.
Yeah, you're coming out the other side of the tunnel. Do you
That's it.
feel like you're starting to see more results now with how you switch certain things up for yourself?
Yeah, well, see, well, the best part of me trading overnight is I have the two venues, and and then I can kind of concentrate on this and see it as a separate thing. But it's amazing, and
Yeah.
like what I also like is trading overnight kind of scratches that itch. So in the morning session, if I an open, if I don't feel like there's something there, it's not like I gotta get in. It kind of takes it all away. You know what I mean?
Nice. Yeah, like I always say, trading is personal. So you gotta see what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and once you find something that does work for you, you stick to it. You don't change it.
Oh yeah, no. I mean, I got it. I have some things that are coming, and I'm excited about it because consistency, man. You know what I mean? That's what I'm about. I know a lot of people are about like trying to, look at how many stacks, whatever. But it's like I'm looking at my consistency because it's like lifting weights. If
Yep.
you're gonna be a jackass in the gym and try to lift beyond your thing, and your form is bad, you're gonna hurt yourself. But once you have the form, you can always go up. Now you said I have Barbie weights when I said my weight.
Ah, I did not say no Barbie weights. You got the real stuff. You know what I'm saying? You got that real stuff.
Oh yeah, that's the OG stuff. I had somebody tell me sometimes, why is the edge of your weights rusted? Because I'm lifting on concrete. Figure it out, Jack.
tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, we got the Traders Hangout. Come hang out with us. We're talking trading, we're talking life and everything in between. So, mark it on your calendar, turn on your notifications if you're on YouTube to let you know every time we go live, because we go live twice a day. One of the only channels on YouTube that goes live twice a day for trading.
Live right from the Chipotle parking lot from 10 to 2:30.
Yeah, I think Chipotle is like my new addiction. I'm not even gonna lie, because I had Chipotle like with the rice and everything in a year and a half. Where now that I'm allowed to, it hits different. But I get like the lettuce and all that stuff too. So
Yeah.
like, see, looking at this action right here makes me want to take along, but my hands are on my head. Hands are on the
Yeah, and
head.
I turned it off. So there you go.
Till Friday, that's crazy, Pio. I can't hold that long, bro. I don't like being in trades for long periods of time. Anything over like 2 minutes, I'm like antsy. Like I'm like, oh god, what's about to happen to me?
Yeah, I mean, for the longest time, it was like I didn't think even go like a minute, but on a couple of them, when it gets above like 2 minutes, it's like you're grabbing the wall, on the desk. He's standing on. He's doing a handstand.
I'm trying to do anything to keep me in. What's up, BP? Markets were good, and then they started consolidating. So here we are. But $1,000 keeps the bills away. We hit that today, so we're chilling in the funded.
right, Dwayne. I'll see you later, man. I'm gonna get ready because I'm gonna be lifting weights myself later.
All right, man. Have a good day.
All right, take it easy, everybody. Big G, I think.
Yeah, we got G in here, Carmona, Brad, and Mitch.
All right, Steve.
Yeah,
Take it
see,
easy,
bros.
man.
So, all
I ain't leaving yet, boys. I'm out in 3 minutes. I'm out in
Okay.
3 minutes.
Bye,
I'm
Steve.
just keeping myself on the level and keeping myself honest here. So
Well, have a good one,
don't
bro.
want to jump back in.
Oh, I'm trying not to jump back in either. But that's looking like on that 2 minute, looking like a bull flag there. Coming up to my yellow line. But I'm up, so I'm not gonna risk any accounts or evals. I'm done for the day. Solid day in the market. Going through my top yellow line with the momentum there. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We're honestly going to go back to that 15-minute range at this point. Let's see some structure for another bull flag here. Nice 8. The one and only. And there she goes, trying to get back to that 15-minute range. We are hitting some selling pressure up there, but what a pump. Any questions or anything like that from the chat on YouTube or my market makers? Any questions, concerns? There's the 15-minute range. We're back in it. Almost like someone called it out. Just saying. Oh, I was wondering what this froze. Like what? Well, family and friends, tonight we got the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Your boy is officially going to be getting off the markets, off the charts, everything like that, so I could go handle some work and get ready for the gym. So hopefully you guys did well today in the market. Stay safe in the markets, boys. I will see you all tonight. Market makers, nothing but love. Post your wins and losses in the community, fam. I'll catch y'all later.
See you, Dwayne. See you guys.
All right, boys.
Have a good one.
BP, Brett, everyone on YouTube, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. Be blessed, everyone.